quick video on how to add some washer fluid and check the level in your Hyundai Elantra. I got a GT here. Just did my Jeep Grand Cherokee, which if you're interested in seeing, I'll put a video in the top right corner. Otherwise, let's get into this. Super simple and cheap to do. The only thing you need to do, there's not any specific kind for different make or model. All you need to know is for the area that you're living in, you want to check the protection level that the fluid offers. So if you live in a colder climate, you probably want something that protects further than 0 degrees. But where I live, it doesn't get much colder than the upper teens. So with that said, let's add some washer fluid. First thing we need to do here on the driver's side is look for the hood latch. You'll see there, right there under the driver's side, just to pull this lever here. And now we have access to the engine compartment. Now to get access to the actual compartment, slide your hand between the hood and the front of the bumper here. Till you feel a lever, you'll hear it. I'll slide it to the left, lift up, and that will give you access inside your engine compartment. And then once we have the hood open, look for this bar here, and then we'll push that into the holder, and I'll show you that here. Get some better light here. And then we'll just put that right up there into that holder. Okay, now the hood is safely propped up and we can add some washer fluid. Alright, so for what we're looking for in the engine compartment is this little blue cap. Sometimes they're not always blue, but we want it to say, look like a little windshield here with a little spray pattern, and right there it even says washer only. So with that said, let's just top this off. Alright, so you might be able to see that on camera, but that's filled up. In case you can't tell, it is all taken care of. Didn't take that much fluid. As you can tell, it was a little bit below half here, and used maybe another quarter of the tank. So that's it. Close the cap, and we've successfully added washer fluid into our Hyundai. Okay, so it's pretty easy to tell how high that fluid level is here. This light is pretty bright, so it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but you can use this technique when you want to check a clear reservoir for the fluid level. So another good example of this is the brake fluid. Kind of hard to see, especially even with light, but watch, if you put this light behind there, you can see it's right there. You can just wave that light up and down and you can see it's just where that middle part of the plastic is. So helpful tip just in case you want to check some fluid levels through the reservoir. If the video was helpful, I'd appreciate you giving it a like and a subscribe, as well as sharing it so other people can benefit from it. Any tips are always welcome. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.